Hi, this is Mike McGrath from Microsoft, and in this video I want to give you a quick overview of what we can do with our friends from Juniper, and particularly the SSG running Screenos, and how we can take data sets from there. What we're going to use is a live network that's running an SSG. It's got some VPN tunnel to the newer SRX. Again, you'll see me doing some videos on that whole area in itself. It's got a guest zone, a trust zone, an untrust zone, and a VPN. So let's have a look. What we'll do is we'll run straight into AppAuditor. In that, what we'll get is an overview of all the devices and traffic across the whole infrastructure that we're collecting. What you see up here in the top left-hand side is the data types and data sources. So data types in this case is we're getting data from AppTrack and from Proxy, from JFlow, NetFlow, and we're getting data obviously from Screenos. So let me have a little look at this particular box here, the SSG 20. And what you can do is you can see the 5 zones that are in play here. We can break down the traffic by interface, or by zone should I say, and we can click through at any point here to get more detail. So let's do that, but let's do it for the whole box as opposed to one of the zones for the moment. What we're going to do is we're going to get a session report. There are many different types of reports. The report sections are all here. What I want to do here is I want to actually show you underneath. Rather than showing you each of these individual reports, let's see the full set of data that's being collected from the SSG. Let's put it into a table format. Let's click the OK button, and here we start to see the list of data that we're getting. Now what you'll see, this is in column format, so you have the device and time as you'd expect, the reason for the connection, the state of the connection, the protocol and application definitions. From here, next section, you begin to see the IP address, source and destination and application ports. A very important point here, across the boundaries of the network, now we have the NAT being stored over time as well. What we also have is the zones, the duration of packets and bytes, the NAT rules as they apply, the policies and the actions. All very powerful information to be able to store over time. I also draw your attention to the time period that we've selected means that I have 43,000 rows in this particular section here. Again, we can go back over time. We can change the format, output format, and as again, you can create many different types of reports based on the different columns as you see them here. AppAuditor is a very powerful tool. As I say, it's pulling data from many different data sources, and that makes it very unique in the market space today. Not just internal traffic from an IP address to IP, but also from the point of view of cross-boundary firewalls, proxies, load balancers, VPN concentrators. Coming back to my PowerPoint, again, what we can do here is we can click through and see something quite distinctive, which is the traffic inbound on that VPN. And here we have a report of the inbound traffic. Auditor is available from our download site, which is at rebasoft.net, and I'd be delighted to extend license keys to allow you to engage with the technology, see what it can do for you, and allow you to either migrate, transition, upgrade, and understand better the sessions as they run through your SSGs. Thanks for listening.